uKhulekani Mdluli, uZamokuhle Ntombela kanye noLindani Mtshali babhekene namacala amathathu okuzama ukubulala, elilodwa lokubulala kanye nokucija itulo lokubulala. Ummeli wabasolwa ucele ukunikezwa isikhathi sokufunda kahle amaphepha senkantolo.
The consultation revealed that all three accused hail originally from KwaZulu-Natal, and there is a need to get supporting documents to be utilized during the bail application.
uTeboho Joala wadutshulwa wabulawa kanye nabanye ababili ayihambisana nabo okubalwa kubo nonogada wakhe.
I survived a brazen attack where 2 lives were lost, and it was a terrible experience, especially sitting in front of the kids and not actually expecting anything of that nature to happen. But seeing them here today, it takes me back to what happened on that day, and it was terrible.
Amalungu ANC abebhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo ethi abasolwa benganikwa ibheyili.
We are here to ensure that those criminals do not get bail, because we want to send a strong message that says criminals don't have space in our communities.
uJwala wabulawa esemsebenzini eyonikela ngezicathulo esikoleni. Abazali bezingane zazikhona kwenzeka lesi sigameko bathi kusenzima ezinganeni ukudlula kulesi simo.
They were excited that on that day they were going to receive, school shoes, but it ended in tears. We have received numerous requests from parents who were saying that the kids are still traumatized and they need government to intervene and assist them.
Icala lishishiselwe umhla zine kuNhlangulana.